You're tracking your food, you're doing high-intensity workouts, but if you have PCOS, the scale often refuses to budge. And no, it's not a lack of willpower. It's a hidden loop hijacked by one specific hormone, cortisol. Today we're exploring the science of why chronic stress is literally locking fat inside your cells, and the neurobiological protocols to break the cycle. To understand the block, we have to look at the HPA axis, the communication line between your brain and your adrenal glands. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol. In evolutionary terms, this was meant for short-term survival. But in our modern environment, cortisol stays elevated. Here is the clinical problem. PCOS already creates a baseline of low-grade inflammation and insulin resistance. When you add chronic cortisol to the mix, your liver releases extra glucose into the bloodstream to fight the danger. Your pancreas responds by pumping out more insulin. This massive insulin spike tells your ovaries to produce more androgens, male hormones, which worsens every PCOS symptom and tells your body to store visceral fat. You are trapped in a biochemical lock. You can't just stress less. We need physiological interventions. Here are 3 science-based protocols to lower your cortisol baseline. Step 1. Morning sunlight viewing. Getting sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking sets your circadian clock. This ensures your natural cortisol peak happens in the morning, rather than spiking at night and disrupting your metabolism. Step 2. Swap HIIT for LISS. High-intensity interval training is great, but if your HPA axis is overworked, HIIT just spikes cortisol further. Switch to low-intensity, steady-state cardio, like a brisk 45-minute walk. It improves insulin sensitivity without the stress response. Step 3. NSDR. Non-sleep deep rest. Just 10 minutes of guided NSDR shifts your autonomic nervous system from sympathetic fight or flight to parasympathetic rest and digest, actively clearing cortisol from your bloodstream. Managing PCOS isn't just about diet. It's about regulating your nervous system. Try implementing one of these protocols this week. If you want more science-based strategies for your health span, subscribe to Lab Notes. See you in the next one.